Hello class 80 student, how are you? Today I'm going to discuss the butterflies story. Already I made two video on this chapter. Today I'm going to make video number 3 regarding this chapter. If you have not seen my previous video, then it is request kindly see my previous video, then you can understand the next part of this story very well. Try to understand the concept of this story. Now I'm going to start the next part of this story. I think you are unable to see it. I'm going to launch this page. I think you can see it very well. Tight one. The man continued to watch it. Who continued to watch it? The man continued to watch it. To whom? To the butterfly. For why? Because he wanted to enter into the hole. Okay. Expecting that my minute the wings would enlarge and expand enough to support the body. Neither happened. In fact, the butterfly spent the rest of its life traveling around. It was never able to fly. It was. It means what? I to understand the students. Man was waiting and waiting only. For whom? Butterflies. Butterfly entered into the hole, and he was unable to enter into the hole. He has lost his wings, and he did not fly in the sky. And did not fly, and he has spent the rest of his life only crawling and crawling around on the land. It was never. It was. She was able. She was unable to fly in the sky. It was the situation of the butterfly. It was very painful situation. She was suffering very painful situation because she has lost the wings. What the man in his kindness and haste did not understand. The restricting cocoon and the struggle required by the butterfly to get through the opening was a way of forcing the fluid from the body into the wings so that it would be able to be ready for fight once that was achieved. It was what? She was facing very problem in his whole life. There was some restriction, and she struggled. Was a way of forcing the fluid from the body into the wings. Which type of things? Fluid. It would be a ready for fight once that was achieved. It means what? She fought. She struggled in his whole life. And whole life. How? I'm giving you some example in next para. Try to understand. Sometimes struggles are exactly. Sometimes struggles are exactly what we need in our lives. It means what? Struggle is very important for achieving our goals. Going through life with no obstacles would cripple us. Keep us one involved. If any problem will not arise in your life, then you will cripple. Then you will cripple. Problem is very necessary things. Suppose you are going on the road by car and there is no traffic, and you want to drive a car and there is no traffic, then you will be not good driver of the car. Traffic is important. Crowd is important. If you are driving your car in a lonely place, then how will you train? Not possible. It means what something struggles are exactly what we need in our life. Going through life with no stopper would cripple. We would not be as strong as we could have been, and we would never fly. If you want to achieve your dreams, then you will have to make the plan, and you will fulfill your desire. If you are doing a struggle, then if you are doing confident, if you are going confidently, if you are going confidently in the direction of your dreams, then you will success. The struggle is very important. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it. Thanks for watching.